Now that we've walked through an overview of the controls, I want to walk you through how to make changes to an automatic wrap cycle. First thing I want to do is make sure that we're in automatic mode. You can see the red light is by the automatic sign. If you go like this, you'd be in manual, but as you can see, we are now in automatic. Then we press load. And as you scroll through up here with the plus and minus buttons, you can see you get the different saved palettes. So this goes all the way up to 9, and then you have 9 more that are recordable modes. We'll talk about that in a later video and go walk through how to do a recordable mode. For now, let's just go to 4 and hit the OK button, which is selecting that program. Next, we're going to select program. By pressing this, we can select if we want the up-down mode, the up-only mode, or the top sheet. So if we keep going, see it toggles through that. So let's stay in the up-down mode. From there, we want to click on this icon, which is the bottom wraps. As you can see, it's blinking, so we can make changes with the plus and minus. So we want to change it to 2. Then we're going to go to top wraps. We're going to change that to 2 as well. We're going to go to tension. It's at 50. We'll just change it to, actually, let's go down. We'll go to 45. From there, we'll go to rotation speed. It's at 11. Let's change it to 12. We'll go to carriage up speed, which is at 65. We'll change it to 70. Down speed, 65. We'll change it to 70 as well. Now that we made our changes, we can click save. Now remember, we have to click OK. It's going to beep letting us know that those changes we made are saved. Now we just hit start, and it's going to wrap pallet number 4.